Hey friends, okay, I'm back with another haul. Well, it's actually kind of three hauls, but this is everything from this week, and I thought I would share the things that I picked up. So the first is I had a few minutes the other day to go to a local thrift store and didn't have a ton of time, but I went to the men's shirts and I felt that this was a linen men's shirt, which we're coming up on spring, so I thought that would be good. It says BR, which is Banana Republic. So this Banana Republic, I got it for $6, $5.99, not the best price, but again, it's long sleeve, it's all linen, it's a nice shirt, it's in great condition, and I hope that I should be able to sell that pretty quickly. And then, of course, I got a tried and true Ralph Lauren shirt. This was also $5.99. This is an extra large. I looked it up and I do think that, I should be able to sell this for anywhere between 25 and 30. It's long sleeve plaid. So it's called the Blake shirt. So I'll be listing that. So then I actually have found another shirt that was Marine Layer, which I know is a good brand. And I was so excited and I came home and I looked closer at it. And it was missing 3 buttons. I don't know how I missed that. Well, I know how I missed that. I was in a hurry, but I just saw the size, the color, the brand, and I was like, this is awesome, and whatever. So then that thrift store has where you can do returns for credit within 10 days. So I went back yesterday, and it's really smart that they do returns because I ended up spending more money after returning that. I also only had a few minutes, but of course found some things. So let me show you what I got. I can't say I got the best bargain deals because some of these things I might be keeping for myself. But the first thing, this is new without tag. Well, it's kind of got the tag. It's huge. Sorry, that's a leg. Hold on. Okay, here's the head. All right. This is, I can tell that I don't think it was ever worn because it still has this tag string on it. But this is Natural Life. Let me show you the tag here. Natural Life. And this is a large, and this is like a super soft, warm onesie. Except for it's not a onesie because your feet come out. I think if it's a onesie, your feet don't come out. But it is so soft, really cute, wild pattern. And I looked this up, and it looks like I should be able to sell this for about $40. And I purchased this for $6.99. So $7 into 40 isn't that bad. And again, it's super cute. I think it should sell quickly for those people still living in the frost. All right. Oh, I have a cat joining us. We'll see if he pops in. The next thing I got, and I didn't even see if this was a good price because I might keep these for me. We'll see. But these are jeans from Altered State. And they're kind of the shorter. This will be good for summer, like with flip-flops. But I really liked these, and I like a lot of things that are Altered State, but these I may keep. I did pay up for these $8.99. So, okay, the cat's still here. Come here, kitty. Come here. What's you doing, buddy? Hi. Come here. Want to say hi? Say hi to everybody. This is Axel. Yeah, he likes to be in on all the action. I don't know where your sisters are. Okay, so the next thing I got, also paid up for this, probably too much, but I did check out the comps on this. So this is by the brand Sailor, and the tag is coming loose. So I don't know if I should try to sew it if I end up selling it, but it is Sailor, not Sawyer, Sailor. And this was $10.99. But it's a cute fit and flare dress. It's got the puffy sleeves, the extra puffy sleeves that are really in right now. This might be a little bit big on me, so then I'll just sell it. But I just loved the style of the dress. So that was definitely kind of pricey for what it was. And then the last thing, which I also may keep for myself, is they had at the front of the store, I know stores often have this around holiday times, but they had a whole St. Patrick's Day and Valentine's section right at the front of the store. So I found this cute sweatshirt. It says Irish. It's got the 4-leaf clovers on the sleeve, and it's a size large. It's cotton, and I paid $5.99. So I think that that's really cute. I have to be in a St. Patrick's Day parade, and I would love to wear this in the parade because I just think it looks cute and comfy. And otherwise, if I'm going to sell it, I probably should get it up very, very soon. So we'll see. But I just thought it was super cute and soft. All right. So the next thing I did was I've been checking out Whatnot just to see if maybe I want to sell on Whatnot, which things definitely sell quicker, but for much, much, much lower prices. And so a trick I had actually heard about is that as a reseller, you can go kind of take advantage of the fact that people that are doing brand new shows are often selling things for super cheap because nobody's really on to buy them. So I was just going on to check it out, and there was this real cute lady on there selling a bunch of things, and I think she had $2 starts. So I feel like each of these things I got for $2. However, I was very confused about the shipping, and I was asking questions about the shipping when I was on, and I think that she didn't know what she was doing with the shipping, and I didn't know what I was doing with the shipping, and I think it all ended up in her favor. Instead of it's supposed to like kind of build so that can be a certain price, like $9.49 or something like that, for anything that you get that's under 5 pounds. So if you keep adding and you get to the 5 pounds, then more shipping will get tacked on, but it's supposed to be 5 pounds or less is 9, whatever. But for some reason, it looked like when I went back and looked, it looked like I paid $5.95 per item and $8 and something for another one of these items. So I think I actually paid way more than I thought for these items. However, I still feel really good about some of the items that I got. And I haven't looked these up, so I will have to look up what these are worth, but I still felt like at the time for $2 that I was getting a great deal. Nobody was bidding against me. So first up is these Carhartt. You know that's a good brand. Carhartt black jeans. I actually don't even know if these are men's or women. Probably men's. 32 by 32. I'm guessing these are men's pants. They don't even look worn. Black Carhartt pants. $2 plus shipping. Okay. And then this is a cute dress. I don't know anything about this brand. This tag to me does look like it's vintage. So it's Fads. It's a size medium. So I actually could wear it myself, but I just really liked the skirt of it. It feels like it's a linen blend. And then the top has some kind of almost embroidery floral decoration. And then the back is also really cute too, because it has buttons and a tie waist. So I had bid on that for $2 and won. I was very excited about that. All right. Then we have got this is Tallulah and a Goldie. Now, I've not ever heard of Tallulah. I don't know if that's part of the brand, but I've heard of a Goldie, made in the United States. Jeans. Here's the back. Let's see. High-rise taper jeans, size 29. So I got these for $2, and I haven't checked the price yet. They are button fly. $2 plus shipping is what I paid for these from the same gal on Whatnot. Ooh, I almost want to put this on right now because I'm cold. This is an UGG, really soft hoodie sweatshirt. She did warn me that the drawstring was not all the way through, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to string that back through, but I can take the time to do that. But it's really soft, a pretty purple color, purplish gray. Anyway, by UGG, $2. This I might keep for myself. Look at how cute this is. So this is a denim vest with this cute accented, whatever you call this, light stuff. And it's also right here too, along the bottom. Okay, it doesn't go with my current outfit, but It's so super cute. It has the Western vibes, and I don't even know the brand. Let me look at the brand. I just liked the look of it. It was so cute. It's a size medium. Okay, here we go. Paisley vine. Sorry, the tag is Paisley vine. So, I don't know, but it's really cute. $2. All right, next up. What did I like about this one? Okay, this is Zara, size large. This is an oversized turtleneck. Starts with a T. Turtleneck. Short sleeve though, top. I like a lot of the stuff from Zara, and this just looked super cozy, even cottage core. So again, I don't know what I'm going to sell this for, but I think it would be a great staple in anybody's closet. All right, next, this is BB or Bebe. This is a size medium large. This is definitely vintage. This totally reminds me of the 90s. I feel like I probably had something like this in the 90s, and you can still see her little stickers she had on from her Whatnot show. But this is just a little nighty dress. I'm sure somebody would probably wear it as a regular dress, but people that are into the Y2K and vintage, I think would really like this. So I'm excited for that one. A few more. Okay. I'm hoping bows are still in. This is by Madewell. It's a sweater with a bunch of cute little bows on it. Size medium. Also my size, so if it's not worth selling, it's going in my closet. But let me see, I feel like this was also a wool blend. Oh, it feels like a wool blend, but who knows? Because there are cutout tags. So hopefully I can find this online and do a little bit of research to see what it's made out of, but it actually does feel like a wool blend sweater. So we will see, but it's really cute. Really cute. $2. Again, there was nobody bidding against me. All right, next we have another altered state item. You know, I like altered state. This is oversized crop sweatshirt. This is a size extra large. I think that a smaller person could wear it if they like that oversized cozy look, but it's got some texture on the arm there that's really fun. And again, that's by Altered State. All right, next we have, I don't know this brand, but for $2, I couldn't help myself. Alpine Design is the brand. This is a small, and this is like a 3/4 zip puffer jacket, but it's kind of a lighter weight jacket. I think that will be good for going into spring. And it's a really pretty green color. I like the quilted feel to it. It's definitely not too thick, but then it also has this pocket, not a king, well, I guess it's got pocket here. Ooh, it feels like there's something in there. Ooh, something in this pocket. Oh, it's a feminine product. Unused, but I guess I don't need to share that with everybody. But there is, you know, a feminine product in there in case anybody needed some cushioning. Okay. All right, so that jacket, super cute. Pockets. All right, and last but not least, this one was the first item I bid on that really got me going, because I was like, wait a minute, $2? Nobody's bidding on this? I can't believe she's gonna sell this with just me in here. But this is a dress by Kate Spade. And it is, let's see, does it have the size on here? It looks maybe like a medium. It's that thicker material. It is fully lined, but this, I don't know, yeah, so you can see it's really nice. It's got that satin lining, and Kate Spade is known for bows, so it has this cute bow in the back. It's a side zip, and gosh, it would just be really cute. I'll probably list this for, like, even using the words like bridal. It's not quite white, it's more of an off-white or a cream, but it is so cute. Look at how it's gathered here in the back. Anyway, I know I'm sitting on the floor and probably not giving a very good view of it, but this is what started the bidding. It just took one Kate Spade cute dress to get me going. So that is it. That's my haul from this week, which was actually three different occasions. And the whatnot one was just from my phone, laying in bed. I didn't even have to go anywhere. So that was really fun. All right. See you next time.